modern market level. And then on the top floor now, you will have space for more shopping. So we are spending on your local townships because we see what is happening. You're doing a lot of business here, you know, but it is not convenient. It is congesting. Sometimes the town look dirty. Sometimes you don't feel safe. A lot of the buildings are old and need to be repaired. So the government has to come in now and make an investment, which is what we are going to do with your new market. So I want to say to you, the people of Highgate, don't watch the noise in your market. Don't watch the negative things that you hear them say. Pay attention to the policies of the government. As I was coming in, I overheard a Jamaican, but obviously she lived overseas. And she said something in anger. But nevertheless, it was a true statement. She said Jamaica is a beautiful place to have such bad infrastructure. And I cannot argue with that. And that is why I am serving you as your Prime Minister. If you look at the destruction and depreciation of the infrastructure of Jamaica over the last 40 years, you will see that it is the Jamaica Labour Party that has started to rebuild and build new infrastructure. Take it out, as I tell you. The amount of new highway that we have built, the amount of new roads that we have built, the Jamaica Labour Party is committed to rebuilding the infrastructure of Jamaica, including the roads. And that is why we have allocated 20 billion Jamaican dollars to pay 20 billion Jamaican dollars to repair local roads, including the roads in this division. So my family here, my Jamaican family here in Highgate, my Labourite brothers and sisters, my PNP brothers and sisters who hooked me up down there, my friends and family looking on in the plazas and the shops. On the 26th, you will have an opportunity to cast judgment on the government. I like the campaign because it gives me an opportunity to speak directly to you, to make my case directly to you, not through any third party, but to you. And you will be the judge and the jury. I know I have done my best, but I still can do more. And I am willing and able and ready to serve you.